kubectl exec, running commands in containers. In this tutorial, we'll master executing commands inside running containers for debugging and troubleshooting in Kubernetes. Kubectl exec is a command that allows you to execute commands directly inside a running container within a Kubernetes pod. Think of it as a way to step inside your container and interact with it, just like you would with a remote server using SSH. The basic syntax follows this structure: kubectl exec, followed by options in square brackets, then the pod name, a double dash separator, and finally the command with its arguments. The double dash is important as it separates kubectl options from the command you want to run inside the container. Let's look at a simple example. Here we run kubectl exec my dash pod, followed by the double dash separator, and then ls/app. This executes the list command to show the contents of the app directory inside the container, and the output is displayed in your terminal. For debugging and troubleshooting, you'll often want an interactive shell. Use kubectl exec with the -it flags, specify your pod name, the double dash separator, and then /bin/bash. The -i flag keeps standard input open, while -t allocates a terminal, giving you a fully interactive shell session inside the container. Let's understand the common flags. The -i flag keeps standard input open, making the session interactive. The -t flag allocates a TTY or terminal, which is necessary for terminal-based programs. The -c flag lets you specify which container to access when your pod has multiple containers running. When working with multi-container pods, you must specify which container to access. Use kubectl exec -it, then your pod name, followed by -c and the container name, such as nginx. After the double dash separator, specify your shell, like /bin/sh. Without the -c flag, kubectl would default to the first container in the pod. Kubectl exec is invaluable for several scenarios. Use it for debugging application issues in real time by accessing logs and running diagnostic commands. Inspect configuration files and environment variables directly inside containers. Test network connectivity between services or to external endpoints. Monitor resource usage and check running processes to identify performance bottlenecks. These capabilities make kubectl exec an essential tool for Kubernetes troubleshooting.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.